Nearly 50 years ago, Earth may have received a mysterious signal from deep space, one so unusual that scientists still can't explain it today. It wasn't the movie, it was a real radio signal detected by one of the world's largest radio telescopes. It lasted only 72 seconds, appeared once, and then vanished forever. This is the incredible mystery of the WOW signal. Our story begins on August 15, 1977, at Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope. At the time, scientists were conducting one of humanity's earliest searches for extraterrestrial intelligence. Instead of looking for UFOs or alien spacecraft, they searched the sky for radio signals that might have been intentionally transmitted by an advanced civilization. Radio waves can travel across the galaxy with little loss, making them one of the best ways to communicate over enormous distances. If intelligent aliens wanted to announce their presence, many scientists believed radio signals would be the most likely method. Then, something extraordinary happened. The Big Ear telescope detected an incredibly strong, narrow-band radio signal coming from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. The signal lasted exactly 72 seconds, the maximum amount of time the telescope could observe that part of the sky as Earth rotated. A few days later, astronomer Jerry Ehman was reviewing the computer printout when one sequence immediately caught his attention. It read 6EQJ5. These weren't random letters and numbers, they represented the signal's strength over time. The higher the character in the sequence, the stronger the signal. This pattern showed that the signal gradually became stronger, reached a peak, and then faded away exactly as scientists would expect from a source fixed in space. Ehman was so amazed that he circled the sequence in red ink and wrote one word beside it: WOW. That handwritten note gave the signal the name it still carries today. But what made this signal so special? First, it was incredibly powerful compared to the normal background radio noise. Second, it was extremely narrow in frequency, something that natural cosmic objects rarely produce. And perhaps most intriguingly, it appeared very close to the hydrogen line, a radio frequency of about 1,420 megahertz. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, and many scientists have suggested that if an intelligent civilization wanted to send a universal message, this would be a logical frequency to use, because any technologically advanced civilization would likely know about it. Naturally, the discovery sparked enormous excitement. Had humanity just detected its first message from another intelligent civilization? Scientists immediately tried to find the signal again. They pointed telescopes back toward the same region of space. Days passed, then months, then years. Nothing. The WOW signal was never detected again. Over the decades, researchers have proposed many possible explanations. Some suggested it came from a distant star, while others believed it might have been a rare natural astronomical event. In 2017, one study proposed that hydrogen clouds surrounding passing comets could have produced a signal, but many astronomers remain unconvinced because the evidence doesn't fully match the original observation. Other ideas include an unknown astrophysical phenomenon, a reflection from a human-made satellite, or even a brief burst from an object we've never encountered before. And yes, the possibility of an extraterrestrial origin has never been completely ruled out. However, it's important to understand that there is no scientific evidence proving the WOW signal came from aliens. It remains an unsolved mystery, not proof of extraterrestrial intelligence. Today, nearly half a century later, astronomers continue searching the skies using far more advanced telescopes than Big Ear ever had. Millions of stars are being monitored for unusual radio signals, yet nothing has perfectly matched the famous 72-second transmission from 1977. The WOW signal remains one of the greatest mysteries in the history of astronomy. Was it an unknown natural phenomenon, a once-in-a-lifetime cosmic event, or did, for just 72 seconds, another civilization somewhere in our galaxy unknowingly announce that we are not alone? For now, no one knows, but somewhere among the hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way, the answer may still be waiting.